Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will solve these integrations which says that integration from minus L to plus L sin m pi x or L cos n pi x or L dx is equal to 0 if m is not equal to n, and also this integration is equal to 0 if m is equal to n. In both cases this integration is equal to 0. Friends, the result of this integration will help us in the coming lectures where we will directly put the result of this integration which is equal to 0 in both cases if m is not equal to n and if m is equal to n. Now, the first case which says that the given integration is equal to 0 if m is not equal to n. For this, I have to consider that this integration is equal to I1, means I1 is equal to integration minus L2 plus L sin m pi x or L cos n pi x or L dx. To this equation, I need to apply a trigonometric relation which is equal to 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A minus B plus sin A plus B. I have to apply this trigonometric relation to this equation. But first I have to multiply and divide this equation by 2. So after multiplication and division, we will get half integration minus L to plus L 2 sin m pi x or L cos n pi x or L dx. Now I have to apply this trigonometric relation. So after applying, we will get I1 is equal to half integration from minus L to plus L sin m minus n pi x or L plus sin m plus n pi x or L dx. Now I can write this equation as I1 is equal to half integration from minus L to plus L sin m minus n pi x or L dx plus half integration minus L to plus L sin m plus n pi x or L dx. Now friends, in lecture number 3 we have shown that integration of sin n pi x or L is equal to 0. So m minus n is integer and m plus n is also integer. So this term is equal to 0 and this term is also equal to 0. And finally we will get that I1 is equal to 0. So the given integration minus L2 plus L sin m pi x over L cos n pi x over L dx is equal to 0 when m is not equal to n. Now we have to show that this integration is equal to 0 if m is equal to n. For this, I have to suppose that this integration is equal to I2 if m is equal to n. Here in this case m is equal to n. Now I am going to put the value of n which is equal to m. So after putting, we will get I2 is equal to integration from minus L to plus L sin m pi x over L cos m pi x over L dx. Now to this integration I have to apply the trigonometric relation which is equal to 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. So I have to apply this relation on this equation. But before applying, I have to multiply and divide this equation by 2 and we will get I2 is equal to half integration from minus L to plus L 2 sin m pi x or L cos m pi x or L dx. Now I have to apply this trigonometric relation and we will get I2 is equal to half integration from minus L to plus L sine 2m pi x over L dx. And we know that the integration of sine 2m pi x over L is equal to 0. So this term will become equal to 0 and we will get that I2 is equal to 0. So the given integration is equal to 0 if m is equal to n. In both cases, the given integration is equal to 0. When m is equal to n, then the given integration is equal to 0. If m is not equal to n, then still the given integration is equal to 0. So, the integration from minus L to plus L sine m pi x over L cos n pi x over L dx is equal to 0 in both cases. So this is something about this integration. Thank you.